guys know, man, Air Jordan 4s is one of them sneaky silhouettes to where, like, you say you're gonna get it later and you wait too long and the price shoots up out of nowhere. But I'm gonna talk about a couple of Air Jordan 4s, but one in particular which really made me come up on YouTube and even make this video is this is the one you need to get ASAP before it is too late. And I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what I am talking about in today's video. Just sit back, relax, man, enjoy the vibes. We're gonna get right into it, man. Yo, what is going on, everybody? YouTube, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, bro. Yes, man, it's like the year of the Air Jordan 4s. The last 2 years, we've been getting some bangers when it comes to the Air Jordan 4 colorways. I would even say 3 years, because you gotta count in the black hats. You gotta add in a couple of them other dope Air Jordan 4 colorways we have gotten here in the near, the recent past of what we have been getting from Jordan Brand. But yeah, man, it's a couple of Air Jordan 4s. Like, I literally have a bunch that I could add to this list, but I recently made a list talking about top 10 sneakers you get, and I had some, Air Jordan 4s. I was like, bro, it is a Air Jordan 4 I did not add on that list that I should have, and there was a couple more. I scanned the collection. I said, yo, hey, it might be better for you to get these things ASAP before, next thing you know, you look back and say, yo, they're going over for $350, $400, man. So the first Air Jordan 4, I feel like a lot of people know I am going to show. I didn't really talk about this one that much in my recent video, and that is the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined. You know what I'm saying? We talked about them a little bit. We say, it's probably good for you to get these, but the main reason I want to bring it up in today's video is because we've seen what the 2019 Breads did. You see what happened, bro. They dropped. Next thing you know, what I'm saying, they wasn't going for much, and you check back 2 years later when they announced these is coming out, and that pair's going for over $400 in some sizes. It's crazy. And I feel like this is gonna be another one of them sneaky ones to rise up, just due to the fact that it is an all leather sneaker. It's a Bread OG colorway. The only spinoff is it's a reimagine. They switched it up, they changed the box up, they did everything different when it comes to these Air Jordan 4s. And I got a bunch of pairs of these. Now, I ain't a reseller, bro. Your boy DeVintage is not a reseller. You guys know that. But, so I was like, I think it might be smart for me to get a couple pairs, add them to the collection, just sit on them and see what it's gonna do. It could be trade bait, or it could be a dope investment. So I might make a quick little $150, $200. Is it worth it holding it that long? I don't know, but it's just something that us sneakerheads do. We sometimes double and triple up on a particular shoe due to a couple of aspects. And this right here, man, all leather upper, just a dope Air Jordan 4 colorway, and the reimagined, series kind of got revitalized. We got the reimagined Royals, nobody wanted them, and then we came around the corner of these and everybody loved them, and it translated perfectly to the sneaker community, man. So this is the first one I want to touch up on. We talked about it recently, but I had to put that back out there, bro. That's why, bro. It might be best for you to get these. Look back at the 2019 pair of Breads, look at what they did, and look what they're currently doing. And hey, next thing you know, we come around next year, we get some other Air Jordan 4s, and he's gonna shoot up. Now, I told you guys, we recently got some Air Jordan 4s a couple years back that a lot of people fell in love with. They gave it, the poor man this, the poor this, and the different names that make it look like something else that we all used to see in, like, either Travis Scott or like an Eminem, or a bunch of different names that gets floated around there when we talk about dope Air Jordan 4 colorways. But these right here, bro, look at the box. Y'all should know exactly what we have in today's box, man. Check it out. I actually picked this back up in the collection because I recently sold them. I said, yo, why did I do that? Why did I do that? And I already got a couple of dope fits out of these, and I checked the resale, and I said, yo, they going for, some pairs going for over $350. And we talked about going into 2025, and these being a little bit older Air Jordan 4, people are going to regret it. So do not sleep on the Air Jordan 4 taupe haze. These things right here is crazy, bro. And I gotta pull both of them out. I only wore these one time, bro. I'm talking about I wore them one time, and it was like a quick fit. You feel me? It was a quick little fit, and I said, I gotta throw them on feet, bro. It's just like clean colorway. And again, they look like Travis Scott is to it. They got a little splash of Travis Scott on there. And this one right here, bro, it's just a nice taupe haze colorway, nice infrared hits on the tongue. And of course, no Nike Air, just regular Jumpman, but this color right here speaks for itself. Got the crackled leather effect, or crackle something on the toe box, and then a nice nubuck suede all around these joints, man. I haven't seen a lot of lace swaps, which is kind of, I want to see somebody do a lace swap with these. I don't know if the black is all the way there for these, but as of right now, it's how I've been rocking them. This is how they came. Check the resale value right now on these guys. You're gonna be like, hey, it might be beneficial for me to copy, because a lot of people wait sometimes. They go on StockX, they go on GOAT, or they probably got some notes in their phone, some sneakers they want to go back and get, and they sometimes forget about them. And then when they got the bread, or when they finally feel like pulling the trigger, things will rise $50 to $60, $70, and you gotta account for the fees and taxes and shipping from StockX and GOAT, because that's what pretty much people trust. If you don't go to a local consignment shops are on another level when it comes to prices. I'm not even gonna talk about that. I wanted to make a whole video talking about consignment shops. I'm not bashing consignment shops, but their prices are like 20% more than every other place in the world. It don't make sense. But again, when people go and get some grails, they reach back. It's usually StockX, GOAT, eBay, different apps like that to get them. And you gotta account for the fees and stuff, man. But go check out the Topes Airs and the 4s. You might be surprised on what these things are going for in your size. And get them while they low. Get them while they are low, and they're not even low. So get them ASAP. All right, guys, and last but definitely not least, this is the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 4 that made me want to make this video. I said, bro, why haven't I talked about this? Why haven't I dropped these gems for the Vintage Squad? For everybody on YouTube trying to figure out, yo, what is this guy with a do-rag on and a Kanye West hoodie talking about these Air Jordan 4 now? And that is the Air Jordan 4 Pine Green SB joint. You guys already know, man. These speak for themselves. The first ever, listen to me, the first ever Air Jordan 4 SB. Now we getting the Nigel Sylvester skateboard 4s, and we got some more Air Jordan 4 SB colorways coming out next year. We got the red pair, and I believe it is a midnight navy pair coming out, but that is why this one is on the horizon, bro. This is going to be labeled the OG. This is the original. This is the one that started it all, the Pine Greens, man. Listen to me, bro. If you don't buy any other shoe, and I know it's a lot of people out there that's waiting to pull the trigger on these, bro, get these now. Don't get nothing else until you get these. You know what I'm saying? I know we got another couple of significant releases like the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remastered and the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, the Black Toe 14s. We got some heaters coming out. It ain't just 2 shoes. I gotta think it's about 3-4 pair. That's must cops to a lot of people, especially me. But if you ain't getting nothing else, especially in September or October, not really much dropping, bro, get you a pair of the SBs, bro. It's a couple more coming out next year. This is the OG. The prices is going to start increasing when we get those other colorways to drop next year. I'm telling you guys, man, listen to your boy DeVintage. Do not wait until it's too late. It's a clean pair of Air Jordan 4s. I love the Pine Greens. Worn them a couple times already. I'm not gonna beat this pair up because right now, like I said, the price is on the upswing, bro. It ain't going for like a crazy astronomical number, but the prices are going up, and they're gonna continue to go up in 2025 when we get those other SB Air Jordan 4 colorways, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. Hey, when y'all look back at this video next year, or y'all might even remember this video, but just know I tried to tell you, bro. Hey, DeVintage tried to tell you, bro. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video. Again, bro, I was just sitting down in the crib, and I said, bro, hold on, man. We got some Air Jordan 4 SB colorways coming out. And my main, goal on YouTube is to help you guys out, give you guys a couple of gems, let you guys know a thing or two on why I think something might happen, or put some things together, put out some content. And it's always dope engaging with you guys in the comment section, because you probably gonna comment something else talking about another Air Jordan 4 colorway, or probably another silhouette, or something I'm not privy on. So I mean, you guys go ahead and comment down below in the comment section ASAP Rocket. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you ain't subscribed already, bro. We've been dropping them gems for you guys. Hit that like button. A like button go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And with all that being said, man, if you don't get no Air Jordan 4 for the rest of the year, if you don't get no other shoe the rest of the year, man, make sure you pick up the Air Jordan 4 Pine Green SBs. Don't say and tell you so. Peace.